Okay, all right. Welcome to lesson 2 for AutoCAD, plotting a survey plan in AutoCAD for beginners. All right. So for this class, I'm going to teach you how to, or rather, the function of the draw tools. Then next class we'll learn the function of the modification tools. All right. Now, it is not all the draw tools in the AutoCAD space that is necessary for plotting the survey plan. All right, even though it is not bad when you have idea of the functions of all of them. Okay, but for here we are going to just treat the basic that will enable you to plot your AutoCAD plan effectively. All right, so in my left hand we have some tools here. We have the draw tools, we have the construction line, we have the polyline, polygon, and all right. Peradventure in your own system this is not here, all you need to do is to come to the draw tool. All right, you will see everything here also, and you find dragging it to this surface. Okay, so what do we have here? The first thing to know is the line. What is the line? As the name implies, line is used for drawing lines. Okay, in different directions. Can be horizontal, can be vertical. It can be horizontal, can be vertical, it can be slant, just according to the degree that you want. All right, that is the function of line. Then next we have the construction line. Okay, what is construction line? Construction line, you can also call it infinite line. Okay, is a line through a given point. All right, oriented at a specific angle in both direction, in both horizontal and vertical direction. What I mean is that when you are drawing a construction line, we are thinking of an infinite line. Okay, so for example, my line to this direction. All right, my line to this direction, it has no end. Okay, so that's a construction line. Personally, I normally use it for reference. Okay, I think we will get to learn that later. The next line is the polyline. The polyline is used for drawing series of connected line. Okay, for instance, this is polyline. What do we have here? Series of connected line. But in the case of line, they are not what? Connected lines. All right, so that is the difference between line and polyline. Okay, the next one, what do we have? We have polygon. We know what a polygon is. All right, so this is the draw tool for polygon. Immediately you click it, you insert the number of polygon that you want. Let's say 5. Let's say 5 again. Then let's say inscribe in circles. All right, that's I. Just click enter. So this is what your polygon. All right, depends on the number of size that you want. In my own case, I wanted 5. Okay, which is pentagon. All right, now the next tool is the rectangle. The same thing with the polygon, you can insert whatever you want here so that you know the dimension that you desire. Okay, but you can manually draw your polygon depending on the size that you also want at each. Then we have the arc here. Arc is used for drawing, as the name implies, used for drawing line in arc form. All right, I believe you understand my English. In arc form, for instance, something of this nature. Okay, then let's go to the next, which is the circle. As the name implies, also used for drawing what? Circles. Okay, let's go to the next, cloud. These are used for drawing special feature in your plan that is cloudy. All right, so this is an example of it. Okay, then we have the spline. Okay, spline is used for drawing also special feature but in a zigzag form. All right, this is an example of a spline. Okay, this is an example of a spline. Then let's jump all of this. You get to know them better if you need them. We have your point here, which we set at the beginning, the first video, right, in our point style. So if you want to insert a point in your various angle, all you just need to do is to click on point. All right, this point will show depending on how you set it, depending on how you set it on your on your format. Okay, we have hatch. What is hatch used for? I mean, for various purposes. It's used to hatch your, majorly in survey I use it for building, because one of the symbol of an existing building is the hatch symbol. All right, so when I have a building, all I need to do is just to hatch it. Okay, let's assume this is my building right here. Okay, all I need to do is to hatch it. It's already here. Click on add selected object, select all the objects, enter. You click on the angle that you want your arch to go, let's say 195. Let's say scale 0.1, depending on the scale of the map and the size of the building. Alright, 0.1 is too much. Let's say 1. Take 1 we go. Even 1 is too low. Let's try one more time. Let's say 7. Okay, you can see it is well hashed. Alright, the same thing here, but in this case this is in color format. Okay, it's also used for hatch, but in color format. All right, so just enter whichever color you choose. Let's choose this. It's going to appear here. All right, so that is the function of that. Then we have another one, which is the region. All right, this region here is used to connect line together to form a polyline. Okay, for instance, these are lines. All right, if you want to join them to become a polyline, all you need to do is to click on the region. I think it's slow, it will take time to come up a bit. All right, let's just be patient. My window is not responding. All right, but let's wait a bit. I would just say we can pause this right here. Okay, I think we can pause it. Okay, all right, so right here, let's click it again. Yeah, you have your region. Click on the first side that you want to connect together, then press enter. Okay, can you see it has turned line toward the polyline? And the next thing is your table. Okay, you can insert your table just like your normal Microsoft table. Then you can insert your text. So this is draw tools. This is draw tools. So by next video, I will teach you how to use these modification tools. Make sure you go over the video, over the clip again and again, so that you can get acquainted, and make sure you practice as you are listening. All right, thank you.